Here are several types of push-up exercises. Standard push-up. Start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, and then push back up to the starting position. Wide grip push-up. Similar to the standard push-up, but with your hands placed wider than shoulder width apart. This variation emphasizes the chest muscles. Close grip push-up. Position your hands close together directly under your shoulders. This variation targets the triceps and inner chest. Diamond push-up. Place your hands close together with your thumbs and index fingers, forming a diamond shape on the ground. Lower your body down while keeping your elbows close to your body. This exercise targets the triceps. Decline push-up. Elevate your feet on a stable surface, for example, a bench or box, while performing the standard push-up. This variation increases the load on your upper chest and shoulders. Incline push-up. Elevate your hands on a surface, for example, a bench or box, while performing the standard push-up. This variation reduces the intensity and is great for beginners or those looking for a less challenging variation. One-arm push-up. Perform a push-up with one hand while keeping the other hand behind your back. This advanced variation requires significant core and upper body strength. Plyometric clap push-up. Explosively push off the ground during the upward phase of the push-up and clap your hands before landing back in the starting position. This exercise helps improve power and explosiveness. Hindu push-up. Begin in a downward dog position and then perform a swooping motion to lower your chest to the ground, arching your back and then pushing up into an upward dog position. This exercise targets the shoulders, chest, and lower back. Pike push-up. Start in a downward dog position with your hips raised high and your body forming an inverted V shape. Lower your head toward the ground and then push back up. This exercise targets the shoulders and upper chest. There you have it, several push-up variations. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.